Let's draw Embarrassment pumpkin. Hello friends. Welcome to a new video. Let's start by making the pumpkin. Very good. You are doing a good job. Embarrassment is very big and cute, don't you think? It's normal to feel embarrassed. Don't worry, we all go through that. Just have fun and be happy. What a fun drawing! You draw very well. Then we will draw his nose. Embarrassment has a very big or round nose. Then we will make the eyes. Then we will draw her eyebrows. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. And what is your favorite part? Pink. Red wine is a very elegant color. It is like a red with a touch of purple.